Welcome back to our 6 C# tutorial. In this one we're just going to do something simple. We're going to create our first Boolean. Now Boolean is a value that is either true or false. True or false. It can't be anything else. So what we're going to do is, to do this, we're going to create a variable, which is a Boolean. The bool keyword is Boolean. Now I'm going to use a equals true. Now if you want, you can do a now and equals hello. Close this off. Hello does not exist in the current context. Now, okay, so that means it doesn't work. We can try number 3. Cannot convert int type to bool. Now, that means that there's only really one other thing that we can do with it. We can make it false. So there we go. Now I'm going to write console.write line. Now all we need to do is put a here, and going to just start without debugging. If you've got the same code as I do, this is going to work. Now as you can see, it's got true then false. Now what originally happens is I create a variable, a Boolean, a, and it equals true. Now here I'm writing out what a is, which again is true, and down one line I'm just saying that a is now equal to false. I can do this, you can do this as well, but what basically happens, we're reassigning the value of a. You can do this a number of ways. I've just done the simplest one. Sometimes you can use equations that can change it, and then I'm printing off and asking it what a is again. And since a has changed after we go past this right up, after this line, it's now false. Okay, now one last thing that we can take a look at here is, now if we run this program, we get true and get to continue. Now if I were to add an exclamation mark here and then run, it'll return false. Now this is because I'm not going to go too much into this, but the exclamation mark is basically saying not. So not a. That's all it's doing. Now don't need to worry about that. We'll cover this more in detail later, but anyway, that's all I'm covering in this video. So anyway, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.